I happened to find this morning in the
Go on, show us the front cover.
Here's the front cover.
Love it. You have to go back a bit because it's quite big. That's
It's
it.
too big.
Oh, it's great.
Turn around, let me see the back cover, back.
That's what size we thought. Open up. Has it got a bookmark in?
Ooh.
Yes.
This is I've got a bookmark in.
Yes.
I can hardly open. Do you want me to show you the bookmark?
Yes.
It's oh, there it is. Here we come. Got it.
Oh, I love it.
I do too.
I really love it.
I think that's a nice book. Look at all the colour on the pages.
Show us the front page, Fiona.
Front page. First page. Oh,
Yeah.
day two and day 3.
Oh, that looks nice.
Love that.
Are you going to read us one?
You know them all by heart now, don't you? I'll read you yours.
Mine?
The observant, it says here. Are you observing now? You observe the yellow, the orange.
The beautifully gold bookmark.
So be on your guard, not asleep like the others. Stay alert and be clear-headed. On the 3rd phone call with the hospital, and after the 3rd time he was asked the same question, my dad said to the pre-op team, "Why do you always ask how many pillows I use at home?" The answer came as quite a surprise. It wasn't for his comfort or relaxation, they explained, but they'd found that a request for more pillows can often be an indication of hidden congestive heart failure. Apparently it's one of the key signs they look out for in the aftermath of a big operation. This got me thinking, what signs could we look out for to suggest our heart is failing? What telltale signs indicate that we might be growing cold to the things of God or hard towards people in our lives? An increasingly short temper, perhaps, or a growing irritability. You've seen that in me because I'm growing old.
Yeah, we are growing very.
What if we had people around us who could notice these small signs before they progressed? What if we could find out how many pillows we need and have people around us who love us enough to hold us to account for them? That's a lovely one.
Thank you, Fiona.